When I saw that a slide-on table came with the Singer Confidence Quilter, model 7469Q, I am always thrilled because you're going to notice that it's going to expand the work surface. I want to show you how you put it on. You do actually need to take the accessory box off, and so just go ahead and give it a little tug. And this is where your accessories are, so a lot of times I still keep this fairly close by or in a drawer next to my sewing machine. Next, you'll find a little leg portion that needs to be flipped up, so then that way it has a little bit of support on this far end, and then there's little clips and holes right here that you're just going to guide the table in and then give it a little push to click it in place. Now look at this. If you're planning on doing any quilting, whether it's just piecing blocks together or actually layering your quilt with batting and a back, you're going to love this extra table. Free motion quilting, same thing. You've got kind of this work area that your hands can guide the fabric on. Now, if you have the opportunity to take a look and purchase a piece of sewing furniture, a sewing cabinet has the same concept but on a bigger scale, because as soon as your fabric goes off the edge here, gravity comes into play. So if you have a table, you don't have that so quickly. Usually that work surface is much, much bigger. So this is a great first option, but a sewing cabinet is actually a better option. Machine sinks down, it's lower, and then the whole work surface is flush with the machine. I actually had somebody ask me once if I would prefer getting a serger or a sewing cabinet, and I thought, ooh, that's a hard decision. But after thinking about it, I would actually give up the choice of owning a serger and getting a cabinet first because of the amount of benefits for having that larger work surface. So take my word for it. Go check out sewing furniture at your local sewing machine store and see how wonderful that will be to add to your sewing studio.